Alright guys, so I'm shooting some 4K 60 frames per second footage from the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the OnePlus 11 5G out at a park here, and letting you guys see how they sound, the mics, and how stable this is. Now looking at the stream, I can definitely see the OnePlus stream better out here in the bright sunlight. But it's gonna do a little walking, let you guys see how stable this is, and just see the quality. Walking on grass. You guys get a chance to see the grass, how it's represented. There's this bench. See how the color is on it. Very red. So I'm not sure what this is, but it's something for the kids here. You guys get a chance to see the sky. Let's walk over to this tree. See how stable it is as I walk. All right, here's a little flower. You guys get to see that. See how it's focused as we come up. And here's a close-up of the bark. In a shaded area, back out to the sunlight. All right guys, got a little bit more footage here of some ducks here. They are waiting to be fed. People just pull up to this little pond area here and they roll down their windows. There's a chicken over there too. But they're waiting for some bread or whatever these people feed them. Just a little bit more 4K footage. And let's finish the video. Okay guys, so this is the rear facing camera on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. This is shooting 4K at 60 frames per second. And this is the quality that you're gonna get from the camera and the microphones. Okay guys, so now this is the OnePlus 11 5G shooting 4K 60. So you guys let me know which one you think has the better audio quality and video quality. So let's go ahead and finish the video.
Dan Tanner.